Hey YouTube, welcome back. Happy Monday, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is bulb star, excellent in energy saving. This is the flat 110 degree. It is dimmable, 75 watts equivalent. So as you can see, it says 75 watts. And then this one only uses 12 watts. And it is LED BR30. This is the soft white with the 2700K. This one has a 950 looms. CRI 91. Energy Star. So guess how much I got this for each light bulb. The life expands 22.8 years. So we'll see about that. Limited warranty. It's a 5-year free replacement. So I was shopping with my wife at the 99-cent store because she had to pick up something real quick for the party. And then anyway, I was just browsing around, and then I saw the sign. And then the signs, normally it's about 99 cents for this kind of light bulb. And I saw the sign for only 25 cents. I said, wow. That can't beat it. LED light bulb for that price. That's cheaper than condensate light bulb, you know. It is made in China. And this is made out of plastic. So as you know, LED light bulb doesn't get hot too easily compared to other bulbs, and it saves a lot of energy. I purchased some of them before from Costco, and they come with the 4-packs. 4-pack last time I got it from Costco was on sale for $6 something. I think $6.59 or $6 something like that. And then now you go back to original price about, I think it went up to about $14 now, last time I checked. So this is my receipt right here. I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, it shows 10 of them for 25 cents each. So I thought it was a pretty good pick, price. So I'm going to want to share with you guys. And I might just go to another 99-cent store and see if they have us on sale for 25 cents. I believe they try to get rid of all the light bulb. I mean, just this model. There are some other, certain other one that's not on sale for 25 cents. So just go out there and grab some, and then in the long run, you will save lots of money. Anyway, I'm gonna try them out, and if I like it, I just go back to and grab some more. All right. So please be sure to like this video, give a thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and then hit that notification button. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and then drop any other comments down below. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace out, guys.